In this play along, we're going to read some quarter notes, eighth notes, and quarter rest. You'll read two patterns back to back. Here's pattern one. You'll read this one first. You'll read this one second. And whenever you see a rhythm pattern highlighted in blue, that shows you which beat we're on. Oh, let's go. I'm going to be playing my cowbell. Every song needs my cowbell, but you can clap or pat, or if you've got an instrument or something you can use nearby, that'd be awesome. Feel that beat? Ready, begin. Ta, 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 dee, ta. Ta, dee, ta, dee, ta, dee, ta. Ta, 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 dee, ta. Ta, dee, ta, dee, ta, dee, ta. Ta, ta, dee, ta. Ta, 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 dee, ta. Ta, 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 dee, ta, dee, ta, dee, ta, dee, ta. Ta, dee, ta. Ta, dee, ta, dee, ta, dee, ta, dee, ta. Ta, dee, ta. Ta, ta, dee, ta, ta. Ta, ta, dee, ta, ta. All right, get ready. This time you read it on your own. I'll keep playing my cowbell because I love it. Get ready. You read it. Ready, begin.